Welcome home to 1601 3rd Avenue. This gorgeous 4 years new Walnut Creek condo features an open and bright floor plan and is move-in ready. This is a rare find in Walnut Creek. The family room is next to the kitchen and dining area. This open floor plan is really nice for entertaining, but also convenient for everyday living. The kitchen features solid surface counters, a custom tile backsplash, stainless appliances, and recessed lighting throughout. The home features a great dining area. It's big enough for all your get-togethers or simply enjoying a weeknight meal at home. The floor plan is full of convenient features like this in-home laundry area or the finished 2-car garage with room for your car and additional storage space. The luxurious master suite includes a spacious walk-in closet and a large bathroom with dual sinks and a tiled stall shower. The location offers close proximity to great schools and all the shopping and dining of both Walnut Creek and Pleasant Hill. With easy access to BART and Highway 680, 24, 242, and 4, this wonderful home is great for your commute. Call today for more info and to book your private tour.